Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can combine Mochila with Apache Tears stitch. The Apache Tears stitch is a double crochet in the front loop of the previous round. I'm going to do the stitch every 10th stitch. I already crocheted 9 normal Mochila stitches, so now it's time for the Apache Tears stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook in the front loop, wrap it, pull it up, wrap it again, pull through 2, and wrap it again and pull. Now you have to make 9 normal single crochet again. When you push this aside, you will see the loop where you normally would have crocheted in. Of course, you have to skip that. So now 9 normal stitches. I'm gonna pull my carry threads because you see the red one shining through. So now it's time for another Apache Tears stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook in the front loop, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through, wrap it around, pull through 2, and wrap it around and pull through 2. You continue the rest of the round like this, 9 normal Mochila stitches and then 1 Apache Tears stitch. I have now finished the round with the Apache Tears stitch. When you make the stitch, make sure you don't make it too tight, because then you will have a little dent here. And when you make it too loose, it will be floppy. The next round, we can't make the Apache Tears stitch in the same place, because there's no loop. So we will make it 1 stitch further. So here I started with 10 Mochila stitches, and now I'm gonna make the Apache Tears stitch. Yarn over, insert in the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through. And now it's 9 stitches again, and then you'll end up here for the next Apache Tears stitch. I did a few more rounds. After 3 rounds I decided to go the other way and later the other way again. So now it's in the form of a zigzag. You can also choose to keep going the same way, so you get diagonal stripes. Normally this stitch is used in a 1-color bag to make it look more interesting, but this is made with leftover, so I used different colors. In this example I made 9 stitches in between the Apache Tears stitch. Of course you can do that more or less stitches in between, whatever you like or what's best for the number of stitches you have. Thank you for watching.